Hey guys, welcome back to our video. My name's Isaiah, and today, yes, bonus video. But bonus video. Yep, I had to do a video. It was thunderstorming outside. It's kind of night right now, and we got that Minecraft beta going over here. No, I have my own worlds that I can play with Kyle, you know. And I think the storm stopped. I hope it didn't, because I just took the phone out of my pocket and recorded. When I look on the phone, it looks like it's day out. But I promise you it was thunderstorming. And I didn't tell you about my gaming setup. We got the headset, Gucci, the controller, Gucci, and I got all these games. Battlefield 5, Battlefield 1, Minecraft. This is an old version of the Xbox up there. It's not an old version, but they stopped selling it when this came out. The beta. Not the beta, but like normal Minecraft, not like all this. I thought it was storming. See up there. It was sprinkling. It was raining. Let's actually go upstairs and see if it's... I know the camera's wiggly. I can't help it. Uh-oh. Get ready for the barking.
Lacey's got the shakes.
Doing a video.
Lacey's afraid of the thunderstorm.
Oh, I can tell. I can tell. Wow. Wasn't it thunderstorming?
Yep, it's storming out.
Cute little Lacey Rose. Aww.
Lucy's not.
You're a strong cookie. You don't care about anything, do you? I would say this was another dog day, but no. Who's a good girl? You are.
She's got the shivers.
Yeah, I can tell. Look at all this. Wrapped up in blanket. Actually, let's look on the deck. Be quiet, Lacey. I'm trying to do a video. Own up. Woo! That actually is a good wind. I like that. I can tell it definitely was raining, and whoa. That's some wind. Lucy, you can't go out. Not now. Woo! I actually kind of like it out here, but if I didn't have a home, I wouldn't like to be out here. Whoa. Look on the camera, it's kind of weird. Or phone or whatever. Ooh, I wish I got that on camera right now. Clouds are... It's pretty much dusk. If you don't know what that means, it's like night, and then dawn is like when the sun comes out, morning. Hashtag American clock. Okay, that's all. That's pretty much outside. Lock that up. What's going on in the kitchen? Is Grandma, are you making a cake?
Yes, I am.
Oh, nice. What kind? chocolate cooking in the oven. Yay. Okay.